In this lesson, we will show you how to set the short-term goal that will guide your optimization changes. Think of these short-term goals as milestones on your way to your desired performance. Start by mapping out the path to your performance goal. Ideally, you will use your knowledge to define this path. However, this might be too complex for a beginner. Therefore, we're sharing the path you can follow towards the common campaign goals such as conversion volume or conversion efficiency. Start by reviewing your landing page and how optimized it is for conversions. Then, work on increasing your campaign traffic to the point that you get at least 10 clicks per day. There are different ways to do this. Usually, you would enhance your keyword bids to increase their impression share, adding new keywords, or expanding the campaign targeted location. Do what makes the most sense for your particular business. Review the quality of your traffic. Poor quality traffic could be the reason why none of your clicks convert, or why you have a low conversion rate. Generally, you should try to target users that are ready to make a purchase decision. Work on this until you have conversion data. At this point, you will either work to increase the conversions you already have, or work towards decreasing your cost per conversion. The more conversions you have, the easier it will be to decrease your cost per conversion. So try to get at least 10 conversions over the last 30 days before working on your cost per conversion. Identify the stage you are on based on your performance analysis, and then proceed to the last stage of the optimization, which is executing changes. After achieving a campaign goal, you can switch to another. However, this change will have consequences on the current performance. For example, once you achieve your desired cost per conversion, you can start optimizing your current campaign to increase conversions. But it's very likely that the cost per conversion will increase again. Consider expanding your campaign once you have achieved your cost per conversion goal. Don't readjust bids to raise positions and traffic on the keywords that already have good cost per conversion. Instead, you can add new ones. You should then work on optimizing these new keywords toward your cost per conversion goal. This strategy can be used to find a balance between conversion volume and an efficient cost per conversion.